Today we will discuss some example also. First example is a to the power log of x of base a square into b to the power log y with base b square into c to the power log z with base c square equals to root under x, y, z. We have to prove this. Okay. So first we take this term. First we let this term as a simple way as let p equals to a log a square of x, q equals to b to the power log y of b square, r equals to c to the power log of z with base c square. First we have to simplify this and simplify and form a simple form. To simplify, first we take both sides, log on both sides. Okay. First we take log on both sides. So we get with respect to a, log on both sides with base a. So we get log p with respect to base a. Also in the right side log a to the power log of x with respect to base a square with base a. Right. Now here with respect to base a, this is the power form. So the power term will be taken out in the front. So we get log of a with respect to a square into log of a with respect to base a. So this term is 1, and by theory we get here is 2, so we get half of log x with respect to base a, and this is 1. If we take this half and then the power of x will be half, right, from this formula. Okay, by the properties. Now both side has log a, log of base a, log of base a. So generally p equals to x to the power half. Okay. Now by simplifying we can get this total term as x to the power half, which is root x. Similar way we can find q equals to root y, r equals to root z. So p q r equals to root under x, y, z, and this is the proof by putting p equals to this, q equals to this. Okay. The second question is log of x with respect to mn is log of x with respect to n by 1 plus log of n with respect to n. Sorry, log of m with respect to n. We have to simplify this term and this term. So first we try it from right hand side, left hand side. Left hand side is log of mn with respect to base x. This gives 1 by log of mn with respect to base x. This is also from the property, right? Now this is two terms with multiplied from, so by logarithm property we get log of m with respect to base x plus log of n with respect to base x. right? But the proof does not happen. Oh, sorry, we do not do this in this way. First we have to get this term, we have to apply the base of change. The change of base. First we have to apply change of base. So applying change of base, if we take this term and take base n, so the term mn n will be multiplied, right? So this term will be multiplied and will be in the numerator. So by applying previous formula, this formula, we get denominator will be log of mn with respect to base n. So now we apply the product formula, we get log of n of m plus log of n with respect to base n. Now this will gives 1. This is 1 plus log of m with respect to base n. This is the proofs. Okay. Another example, this is given if a square plus b square equals to 7ab, so that log of 1/3 a plus b equals to half of log of a plus log of b. So we will start from this, as gives this is given a square plus b square equals to 7ab. Now we know a square plus b square have two formula. One formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and another formula is a minus b whole square plus 2ab, right? Now the proof is given as a plus b, 1/3 of a plus b. So we will take the formula a plus b. So this gives that a plus b whole square minus 2ab equals to 7ab. That implies a plus b whole square. If we take this term in the right hand side, so we will get 9ab. Now dividing by 9, we get a plus b square divided by 9 equals to ab. This term can be written as a plus b divided by 3 whole square equals to ab. Now taking log on both sides, we get log of a plus b by 3 whole square equals to log of ab. So by taking out this power 2, we get 2 log of a plus b plus 3 equals to, now taking the formula of multiplication, we get log of a plus log of a. Now that, as the base is not given, also in the proof the base is not given, so the base can be 10, common logarithm. Okay, log of 1/3 a plus b equals to, taking out the dividing by 2, we get log of a plus log of b. Okay, this is the proof.